In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up accounts correctly so your reports are accurate and easy to understand. First, open QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner for the gear icon, which is your settings. From there, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of every bucket where your money is tracked: income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. This is the backbone of your reporting, so it's worth a moment of care. Once you're in the chart of accounts, click the green New button in the top right. This opens the form where you'll create the account. Start by entering a clear, descriptive account name. Keep it consistent with your existing naming style. For example, use office supplies rather than something vague like stuff, so everyone knows exactly what belongs there. Next, choose the account type. This is important because it controls where the account shows on your financial statements. Income and expense types feed into your profit and loss, while asset, liability, and equity appear on your balance sheet. Pick the type that reflects what the account represents in the real world and choose carefully. Changing it later can be tricky and may affect past reports. Then, select a detail type. This adds specificity inside the broader category and can help with reporting and clarity. If you're not sure which to pick, choose the option that most closely describes the purpose of the account. If this account should roll up under another one, check. Make this a sub-account and choose the parent account from the drop-down. Sub-accounts are great for organizing related items like creating software subscriptions under a broader software account. For balance sheet accounts, assets, liabilities, or equity, enter the opening balance and the as of date. The as of date is the point in time you want QuickBooks to start tracking that balance. Be careful here. If you're connecting a bank feed or importing historical data, avoid double counting by not entering a balance that will be brought in another way. Optionally, add a description to clarify how the account should be used. If your company uses account numbers, you can enter one here as well, provided that feature is enabled in your settings. When you're ready, click Save to create the account. If you're adding several accounts, choose the drop-down next to Save and select Save and New to move quickly through the setup. That's it. With these steps, your chart of accounts stays organized, accurate, and ready for clean reporting.